Am I hearing correctly that the Jamaica Cricket Association is partnering with a sponsor which is pumping $150,000 into a local T10 cricket league? T10, is that correct? $150,000 calculate to about 23 million Jamaican dollars to be spent on a T10 league. Now, in a context where so many cricket purists are saying that T20 mash up the real cricket, and now we're seeing this major injection of funding into an even shorter, faster, more yam-licking version of cricket. The JCA should distance themselves from this exercise on principle. Me love it, you know. Me understand and appreciate the evolution of cricket, and that T20 and now T10 are more spectator-friendly and marketable formats of the game. T10 and T20 cricket will generate much more money for the future generation of players. Me understand all these things, and thus I understand why these investors would inject 23 million Jamaican dollars into a T10 league. Who me sorry for are the purists of the game who are still in denial and bewilderment. See them here?